Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the photo filters in Photopea.com. First things first, let's go to Photopea.com, and as you can see I chose this picture to show you if we can make it in here, since Photopea doesn't need us, or doesn't really, it's not mandatory for us to basically download it on the computer. You can run it in your Google Chrome, for example. So once we upload the picture, we want to go to the image on top left corner of our screen and click on the adjustments. Now let's go into the middle of this pop-up window and click on photo filter. Now we want to pick on which color we want to focus. You can basically mix it yourself, or you can go with some pre-made mixtures of these two. So let's go with gray, press OK, and that's the photo filter, or the color of the photo filter that is going to be used in your photo. You just click OK or preview and you will see how is it changing. You can change the density or preserve luminosity, or don't if you don't want to. Then click OK or reset and enjoy your new picture. That's about it guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.